GoPro. It's got a solid whack, so I'll put it on just in case.
I don't know where my bag is.
Not very big, but it's one. Hey, Brimbo! Can't even get away from these other creeks. Oh, yuck. Peed all over me. Leader. What a beauty of a ship. That's a reef boat right there, brother. Makes us look so tiny, doesn't it, Troy? I like how it's just not making one like wave or nothing, not a bit of bow wave or anything from it, eh? You reckon that'd be stirring up all the mud in the fucking channel?
Yeah, oh yeah, there'll be fish following.
Oh, quick Troy, get behind it, let's troll it. Oh, I dropped it. No.
Yeah, good flat end. Grunter. Nice one.
That is a nice grunter, isn't it?
Alright, my turn.
Hurry up, old boy. This one. Oh, that's a little dewy, Troy. No. One of those. Oh, a different one will go. Ooh. Fish shark, no doubt. Yep.
Is it?
Yeah, shark.
Fucking sharks everywhere. One back here.
Nanny! Yeah! That's what we want, baby! Now give me one about 80 centimeters bigger! Get some baits down, Troy. There's some nannies there, mate.
Good man. Another red.
They're getting bigger. Yes! Some inshore nannies, bro. We just need 140, couple 40s. Straight on. Yeah, no, just need 40s.
Oh, this nice car.
That's a tad better. That's not legal, but we'll see. Don't want to be a Debbie Downer, but I can start feeling water. I can feel little drops of water. Oh, another shark, I bet you. Nope, that's illegal. Surely. Surely. No. Oh, okay. Yeah, slow down. Alright mate, find me some legal nannies.
Yeah, looks like some big fish there.
Grunter.
Oh, it looked big. Guess what that is?
Oh,
Well, guess what we forgot? Fucking net. Is that a shark?
I hope it's not a shark.
Or do you reckon it's the finger mark?
I'm hoping it's a nanny.
I don't know, it's a finger mark.
I think it's a shark. Yep. Oh, shovel nose.
It's still a shark.
I'm happy with a shovel nose.
What the fuck is that?
I got lazy and didn't want to cut me tags off, okay? Leave me alone. Bring me out, I'll grab him by the tail.
No, grab him by his head.
Oh, calm down. Oh, ow. What a beauty though. I don't think I've caught the white spots one. I don't know. Thanks for making me feel like you're a legal sized nana guy, buddy.
Decent. Shark?
Bait.
Oh, no.
I was gonna get us some big nans, a big big slab bait of those. It is shark, I think.
was a shark.
Was. It was. Something that seems to be endangered and so goddamn protected. There sure is a lot of them. What? Sorry. We've caught how many you reckon, Troy? About 10?
8 to 10,
Yeah, about 8 to 10. In the what? Last 2 hours, 3 hours?
yeah.
Yeah. Good morning. It is mackerel time.
That northern conquest down there.
Yeah, with the 2 dories.